Well, welcome to this edition of Wild Goose Adventures. It's raining outside, we're in the middle of a lockdown, we can't go anywhere. I thought I might take a look back at 12 months worth of foiling. With all of these adventures and all of these videos, I really hope that you're enjoying them. I hope that you get a little bit of inspiration maybe from them. But most importantly, that you can just get along and see what I'm doing and you can be a part of my adventures. If you are enjoying the videos, then can I ask you to please subscribe? That'd be totally awesome and would help me out more than you could ever imagine. Also like it, also comment, that would be fantastic as well. Let me know about what you've liked or what your favourite part of the videos that you've been seeing are. It means the world to me that you're following these videos and that you're enjoying them, so thank you very much. 12 months ago I came down to the Sunshine Coast because my mother's husband was ill. Then she hasn't been at the best of health and she needs total care. So I've been here and family just come first. So I've had to give up the boat life. I've had to put on hold all those things I was doing. And so now my little escape has been foiling. It took me a little while to get going with foiling. And eventually I went and had a lesson. I went and had a go behind the boat. And Ben came up afterwards and came with this little gem.
Oh mate, it'll change your world. Yeah. Foiling has changed my life.
It was pretty special, wasn't it? It got me thinking about life and giving me a perspective on different things as I've had to deal with a whole heap of issues and changing what I am doing. And when I got onto foiling, then once I was behind the boat, I then got into sup foiling. I've been supping a lot anyway, so I thought that was just the natural progression. And supping on a foilboard turned out to be a bit of a learning experience on itself. My sup board is around 10 foot, and so suddenly I was on a 7-foot board that seemed awfully small, and the way that the wind and the waves got hold of the foil caused me a lot of grief. And so just learning to paddle a thing was a rather difficult thing. I didn't show many of the falls, but trust me, there was a lot of them. Once I did start to learn how to foil, one of my other biggest issues soon became apparent that a lifetime of surfing and supping and pivoting on the back foot on a board was completely the reverse of what I had to be doing when I was on a foilboard. You see, on a foil, you have to have all your weight forward, and so there was a learning experience just in itself of that. Once I did get up, then it was a whole new world, and it certainly inspired me to get through all of the falls and all of the stuff that was going on that wasn't much fun. Once you get up, the place goes quiet, and unlike anything else I've ever done before, as soon as the foil comes up out of the water, then the board suddenly just loses all sound, and so the feeling is totally surreal. It is just the most magnificent thing, and it was inspiring through a few injuries, just through all of the stuff that was going on. It really gave me a chance to open my mind to something brand new. With the sup foiling well underway, the next introduction was the wingding. Now, a trip to Sydney to film The Sandhill Warrior gave me an opportunity to go and catch up with my friend Mike, and he took me out and I had a ball. It was so much fun and comparatively so easy to supping. I had something to hang on to. I've got a sail there that gives you balance, and the extra long rides give you a chance to be able to figure out what your feet are doing and give you a chance to figure out all of the altitude, figure out just how to turn. It was just an amazing experience and certainly really helped my whole foiling experience grow to another level.
Another phone call to say, no, you can't catch catch up today. No movie, no ice cream with your friends. Ooh, this new love has just begun. You've already come undone. You hang with him every day, and that's okay, 'cause nothing changes. Ooh, ooh. Our friendship will stay the same, 'cause it's measured in yesterday.
With the foiling and the subfoiling and the wing dinging all going to plan, the next thing was to have a go on the e-foil. And the e-foil, I've got to thank Greg from Flight School on the Fraser Coast, was fantastic. So this is Greg putting it through its paces, and he really knows how to make that thing work.
Measured in yesterday. Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 oh. And that's okay. No, you can't catch us. Changes. Ooh, ooh. Our friendship will stay the same. You've already come undone. Our friendship will stay the same, and that's okay, 'cause nothing changes. Ooh, ooh. Our friendship will stay the same, 'cause it's measured in yesterday. Our friendship will stay the same, 'cause it's measured in yesterday.
I would love to have a go in the surf sometime. It certainly looks like a lot of fun. Well, with the wing dinging and the winging and the foiling all coming along nicely, with all of the things that are going on here in family life, meaning that that's going to change and things are on the move again, I just want to thank you very much for being involved, for coming along. And don't forget, as far as Wild Goose Adventure is concerned, smooth sailing.